Hello dear friends, welcome back to another very timely, basic and interesting video tutorial from my channel. Today our topic of discussion is viral pneumonia, how to not panic. Ahead of the potential third wave, many children are already in hospital with viral pneumonia infection, taking up pediatric intensive care unit beds with some needing ventilation support. At the most basic level, pneumonia is an infection of the lungs that causes inflammation and fluid building in the lungs, air sacs, or alveoli. It causes mild to severe illness like fever, cough, and respiratory discomfort in people of all ages. Now we will see how the problems arise actually during pneumonia. We know there is a pair of lungs. The windpipe or trachea acts as an air passage, and the trachea is divided into right or left bronchi within the lungs. Now, these bronchi again further subdivided into small branches called as bronchioles, and at the end of each bronchiole, small balloon-like air sacs or alveoli are present. This alveoli is the actual surface area for the exchange of respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. We know oxygen and carbon dioxide are transported through the blood vessels. What happens normally? Alveoli surface has numerous blood vessels which uptake oxygen from the alveoli and release carbon dioxide into the alveoli. Now you can find the diagram here. But what happens in case of pneumonia due to infection, lung infection, fluid and leukocyte accumulation occurs within the lung alveoli, and in this infectious condition, gaseous exchange is badly hampered. As a result, oxygen content gradually decreases within blood and the condition is called as hypoxemia. So, what can I conclude at this point? Due to pneumonia, blood gets very low concentration of oxygen. Now, to combat against the pneumonia, we have to concentrate on the various types of pneumonia. On the basis of causative organisms or pathogen, we can find three basic types of pneumonia: viral pneumonia, bacterial pneumonia, and least common fungal pneumonia. As the name suggests, viral pneumonia is caused by different types of viruses. There are a lot of viruses that can lead to viral pneumonia. Respiratory syncytial virus is the most common cause of pneumonia in children, but the influenza virus, rhinovirus, rhinovirus is responsible for common cold also, and the SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, are the main causes of pneumonia in adults. Bacterial pneumonia is usually caused by a bacteria species named as Streptococcus pneumoniae. There are other bacteria also. The Streptococcus pneumoniae, which lives in upper respiratory tract, causes infection within lungs and causes pneumonia. Fungal pneumonia is the rarest type and more of a potential issue for people with chronic health complications or weakened immune system. You will not likely to get fungal pneumonia if you are healthy. Examples of fungi that can cause pneumonia include Pneumocystis species, Cryptococcus species, and Histoplasmosis species, etc. Pneumonia can also be categorized according to where and how it was acquired. First one is the hospital acquired pneumonia or HAP. This type of bacterial pneumonia is acquired during a hospital stay. It can be more serious than other types. Second one is community acquired pneumonia or CAP. It refers to the pneumonia that acquired outside of a medical or institutional setting. Third one is the ventilator associated pneumonia, VAP. When people who are using ventilator or get pneumonia, it's called VAP. The last one, the fourth type, is the aspiration pneumonia, which happens when you inhale bacteria into your lungs from food, drink, or saliva. This type is more likely to occur if you have a swallowing problem or if you are too sedate from the use of medications, alcohol, or other drugs. To get rid from this attack of viral pneumonia, you have to know the signs and symptoms of pneumonia. But like other viral diseases, the symptoms of pneumonia varies from person to person and also depend on victim's age, cause of the infection and severity of their illness. But the main symptoms here are cough, fever, fast breathing or shortness of breath, hypoxemia in which oxygen gets reduced gradually in blood. The other symptoms are chest pain, weakness or fatigue, diaphoresis, that is usually the degree of sweating. Now we have to know what is the remedy or what are the different treatment options against the viral pneumonia. Now the question is how to not panic against viral pneumonia. Viral pneumonia usually goes away on its own. Therefore, treatment focuses on easing some of the symptoms. A person with viral pneumonia should get sufficient rest and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids like water or other fruit juices. A doctor may prescribe cough relieving medication to help easy coughing. Before going for the treatment, we have to know that anyone can get pneumonia, but certain groups do have a higher risk. These groups include infants from birth to 2 years of age and people ages more than 65 years. There are so many options for treating pneumonia. The first line of defense against the pneumonia is to get vaccinated. There are several vaccines like Pevnar 13, Pevnar 23, flu vaccine, hib vaccine, etc. that can help to prevent pneumonia. Antibiotics are not used to fight viruses, so there are no antibiotics for most viral causes of pneumonia. However, if the flu virus is thought to be the causes, antiviral drugs might be prescribed such as oseltamivir, zanamivir or peramivir to decrease the length and severity of the illness. If the pneumonia is caused by bacteria, then we can use antibiotics. Medicines to relieve pain and lower fever may also be helpful. Apart from medication, oxygen therapy and airway clearance can be a better option for the pneumonia patients. And lastly, I mention you that pneumonia can easily be treated successfully without leading to complications. That's it, and I believe the video will help you to stay calm, not to panic, but we must remain cautious on viral pneumonia. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more and more video like in this in future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.